All right, my name is Rhona Watson, and I am a master gardener in Elmore County, Alabama. So today I'm going to show you how to plant seeds. So the first thing is you need to plan when you're going to do your seeds. So I do this every year, deciding when I'm going to do it, how many I planted, how many I got, and how long it took to germinate. So all the information you need for that is in the back of the seed packet. It's going to tell you it's 6 to 8 weeks. We're doing peppers today. And you want to keep them at 70 to 80 degrees. They take about 7 to 10 days to germinate. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to put the seeds in here. And it just helps you control where they're going to go. Since they have to be covered by 1/4 of an inch, I make a small hole in each one of these. And then I'm going to do 2 in each one of these. So 1, 2, 1. See, it really doesn't take long. Come on. There. 1 there. 1 there. And I dropped 1. All right. Then we're just going to take some loose soil and cover it so that they're about 1/4 of an inch of soil underneath. Like that. And then you always want to water them from the bottom so that you don't disturb the seeds. So after I get done covering them, I'm going to put them in a pan of water and leave them for maybe about 10 minutes. And you'll be able to see that it absorbs the water and your soil will darken. Be sure that you moisten your soil before you even start with the seeds, but then this will make it really wet. So after they've been in there about 10 minutes, you want to pull them out and you're going to firm it in and get rid of any excess moisture. So I usually just use my thumb. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take them into the other room and put them, see the extra moisture coming out? All right, so now we're going to take the seeds that we did and we're going to put them in this tray under a fluorescent light. So these are grow lights. And for this whole setup, you can probably get it between $100 and $200 or $300. We're going to put a link on there so you can find it, but your seeds need to be under a light, not in direct sun, with a heat source from the bottom, and then you want to cover it. Cover got moved over here to keep in the humidity. So we're just going to cover it like this. And then one of the biggest questions I get is, when do you take the top off? And the answer is when about half of them have germinated. So these are Budelia, which is a butterfly bush that I did some seeds on. I did these on the 4th of February, so they've been there, about 20 days. And that's how they are. And we're going to do another episode when our peppers come up so that you can see what they're going to look like. So stay tuned.